Hi guys, good morning. Actually, kakagising ko lang. Sorry, tingnan mo yung mata ko. Basta just text. Meron siyang konting car problems. So sabi ko, sige, I'll meet you sa car shop. At susunduin ko siya. I'll pick him up, tapos siguro we'll hang out here sa house. So I decided to, let you guys know. Nakita kami ni Basel, we always message each other. And pag may time, we hang out with each other kung pwede. But yeah, normally pag mga car problems talaga, he does message me kasi he just wants to make sure na that he's paying the right price and stuff like that. So I tell him, or I give him contacts ko so he could contact them, like tires or whatever, para hindi siya mahirapan. So we're gonna go to the car shop. It's really nearby my house, siguro mga 5-minute drive. Nagpapainit lang ako ng kotse. And yeah, we're just gonna hang out and I'll bring you guys along. Yeah, biglaan, like he messaged, like it's around, what time is it? It's around 10 a.m. He messaged like almost 9 a.m. So I just woke up and I was so tired yesterday, guys, from basketball. I don't know why, super pagod lang ako kahapon talaga. And yeah, so I'll bring you guys along. I'll see you in a bit. I see someone. Guys, he's sitting there. Tingnan natin.
When did you buy it?
Like 2 days ago.
2 days ago?
Yeah.
Where's the brake?
That's okay.
No,
it's
it's
already unlocked. Like your.
Seatbelt?
What's wrong with your car?
Change oil.
Change oil?
Yeah.
The filter.
I like your seatbelt. You leave it like that, tapos you do this. That's what my drivers do, man. When they drive
No,
the
because
truck.
I played basketball. I didn't want it to get sweaty,
When they
dude.
drive the truck, they do that.
Enjoy, man.
Okay, let's see. Maybe if I like it, I buy it 500.
No. You could haul it in Langhari.
It's nice, huh?
That's
Feels good.
cooling seats. I put
Yeah.
for you. Because I know you're.
What does the cooling seat do?
So you don't get sweaty in the bottom.
Why
See?
it
There's
doesn't
air.
work too much in my Audi? I turn it on. I don't.
Have it cleaned.
Okay.
Yeah, clean it.
Nice, nice.
Nice. So.
It's nice, man.
Nice.
Why
Congrats,
would
new
you
car. I saw you shopping for Benz, huh?
Yeah. This DZ.
Gas. Torquino. Turbo. Turbo gas.
Turbo gas.
You could put sport. See, ganda the response. And it doesn't.
Why I don't feel that in the Audi?
What do you mean you don't feel it? I'm sure you do.
Maybe because the gas is strong.
No, not only that. Also, your engine's heavier. Don't forget, heavier car.
Yeah.
Heavier car.
Yeah.
This one's lighter. Yeah, sport. Sport or normal? That's it.
How do you know?
Sport.
Okay.
I know it says.
97k mileage?
No,
9,000.
46k.
Oh, okay.
He's buying this car, guys.
Yeah.
Brand new.
No.
No. He has the money.
600 pesos.
But it's nice, huh? Not bad.
It's nice.
Right? The color.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. Because brand new is 2.990.
Oh. Mahal.
Mahal.
How are you, man?
Good, man. How are you? How's everything?
Good.
Don't worry, I'll bleep that.
Put-
I'll bleep it. I'm gonna bleep a lot of things here. Like price and stuff.
Today is the soft opening of YOLO.
What do you mean? The YOLO where?
YOLO, BF Resort.
Ah, okay. Done already.
Yeah. Today is soft
Nice.
opening.
Congrats.
Thanks, man.
Tell them, man. Tell them. Visit YOLO BF Resort.
Visit us in YOLO, mga tao.
BF Resort. What?
I didn't announce the location yet.
No. You're gonna announce it in your vlog.
No.
Okay.
Because, I mean, we are still on soft opening.
Okay.
They are training. Kasi if I announce na...
Baka walang tao. Pupunta, they won't,
it will be like crowded too much.
I don't want crowded. That's good.
No, but I mean, they are practicing now.
Okay.
First day. So, maybe after a week.
Yeah. Congrats. It's a nice location, guys. I've seen BF Resort, the location. Very busy street, guys, sa BF Resort. So, and it's not hard to find.
Yeah.
So he'll announce it in his vlog.
We can you turn here? Or
No, turn left.
So,
You have to turn left. Or turn left then come out here. Again. You can come out.
from
Just
the gate.
go inside the gate
Oh,
then.
okay. Yeah. That's nice.
Not bad, no? I like it. Simple. I mean, it drives well.
How many?
Good
7
sense.
kilometers per liter.
Oh, it says there, yeah. Diba? In my birthday, he was there, but he came late. He bought the new Q7.
The new?
Q7, Audi. The new one. Then X5.
Yeah.
Ang dami ng cars.
7-seater.
7-seater.
Yeah.
It's nice. It's may sunroof. Tapos it's black.
Yeah.
Doesn't get dirty. I'll flip it. I'll flip it maybe 1 year time. Maybe.
What do you mean?
1 year, then I'll flip it.
Oh, you'll keep it
Yeah.
on.
Maybe. Or less. I don't
What
know.
happened to your Honda?
I saw the Santa Fe is gone already.
No.
That's
So-
why, yeah.
Then the...
That cord I will sell to you. Diba you said you need you need the non-coding. I'll sell it to you. I fixed it, man.
It's high, the mileage.
Oh, what? The cord?
Yeah, you're...
Oh, it's low.
What's the
I
mileage?
reversed it.
You played it, Tempered.
Yeah. One time my dad, I think it was that couple of days ago, he was driving it. It shut off.
He shut off the...
Yeah, he accidentally shut off the car while
Where? On the stop.
on the incline. No parking
No.
green belt.
Oh my god.
He's panicking.
He's saving gas.
Mahal gas, guys. How much is gas?
Imagine, you shut down, then you turn on again.
Isn't diesel more expensive now, bro? Diesel?
For a while, I don't know now.
You should go convert gas already.
Yeah.
Go, bro.
Go?
Sira. I think it's Sira. Go. Ah, there. Okay.
My license, man.
Imagine. No sticker siya. Russia sticker. Just come out in Nakasha. It's faster.
Okay, so
Yeah. Just go
Just
straight.
straight down.
Yeah. And guys, we're in the village. We just went around habang inaayos yung car ni Basal.
I need to see the oil, man.
Change oil. Finally, change oil.
I'm not satisfied.
Where did you get the filter? Pala.
I ordered online.
So you got it already.
Yeah,
The right one.
the right one.
Always take a photo. That's what I do.
I need to save the number if I don't take a photo.
Yeah. Save the number of the, filter.
So
Yeah.
I don't need to take
The box.
Yeah.
Right? The box.
So right there.
Man filter.
Oh, ganda. Okay. Start. Pero okay na lang.
Oh. Nice, guys. Super clean. I like this part. This panoramic sunroof. Super nice alaga. Really takes care of his car. Ayan, may roosters pa sa... Ayan guys, ganda. So they're just checking the brake fluid, power steering fluid. And yeah, then he'll leave na. Ako, uwi na rin. Ang init guys, sobra. Super hot. Ang init sa labas guys. If you're in Manila, you know the feeling. Sometimes it's raining, sometimes mainit. So, dami nagkakasakit. So, always take care of yourself, guys. Yan, we're just gonna check lang the liquids, make sure everything's okay so we can go home safe. May multo your window. 3 guys, no? Hey guys, we're back home. Kakapasok ko lang sa room. Sarap. It's not hot. Anyway guys, yun, napayos na yung kotse niya. Actually, meron pang isang issue doon sa window niya. The problem with this window, paminsan daw, even if he doesn't press the button, bumababa yung window. So ang problem nun, it could be the switch inside the window, guys. Something electrical. I don't think it's mechanical because kung mechanical yan, guys, hindi siya bababa, hindi rin siya aakyat. Sometimes it goes intermittent. So I told him to message a guy who does my windows sa mga kotse. He's pretty good, and he'll do it daw siguro in a couple of days dito sa bahay. So he'll park his car here and yun. So normally guys, pag ganun, if I have contacts who can come to the house, that would be better. It's more convenient. At the same time, you don't have to wait kasi you're in the house naman. So yun ang gagawin. So hopefully maayos yung window ni Basel. Kasi nga, pag umulan, mahihirapan siya. So yun. But everything's okay. Nag-oil change na siya. The liquids are good. Yun, every time ako rin guys, I always check my car, yung mga liquids especially guys, if you drive an older car. It's better to check talaga kasi sometimes magkakaroon ng leaks and stuff like that. So guys, I hope you liked the vlog. And like I said, a lot of, more vlogs to come, especially when I move out. And I will show you sana ko where I am moving out. So you guys could see. It will be, like I said before, it will be a big change, but it's a good change, and I'm excited for that change. And there's more things to come. Like I said, travel. Hopefully, me and Basa we could travel. Yung dati nag-Boracay kami. Siguro we'll try to travel somewhere in maybe Davao would be nice, or Panglao, Bohol, diba? If he has time. Pag yung schedule namin, why not, right? We'll do travel vlogs together and just hang out. And and it's exciting because his baby is coming soon, and that's the most exciting part actually for him. I'm very, very happy for him. Bro, congratulations. And this is what you wanted. Your whole family here, your dad here. Kung na lang your mom and your brother na lang. Your sister's here, your pamangkins are here, so everything's working out, and you're gonna have a baby soon. Congratulations. And yes, he's gonna announce guys sa vlog niya yung bago niyan YOLO sa BF Resort, so abangan nyo yan. He will tell you exactly where the location will be. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next vlog. Always take care and God bless.